Welcome to the world of raised bed gardening, where the soil is rich, the plants flourish, and the harvests are bountiful. Today, we'll uncover the secrets of this ancient technique and learn how it can transform your garden into a paradise of fresh, homegrown produce. Raised bed gardening involves growing vegetables in beds that are elevated above ground level. These beds can be constructed using a variety of materials, such as wood, stone, or even recycled materials, offering flexibility and creativity in design. The key to success in raised bed gardening lies in the soil. By filling the beds with a mixture of nutrient-rich soil, compost, and organic matter, gardeners can create the perfect growing environment for their plants. One of the primary benefits of raised bed gardening is improved soil drainage. Because the beds are elevated, water drains more efficiently, preventing waterlogging and root rot, and allowing plants to thrive. Raised bed gardening also warms up faster in the spring, providing an early start to the growing season and extending the harvest well into the fall. This means more time to enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables straight from your garden. But perhaps the most rewarding aspect of raised bed gardening is the level of control it offers gardeners. From soil quality to plant placement, gardeners have the power to tailor their beds to suit their specific needs and preferences. So whether you're a novice gardener or a seasoned pro, consider adding raised bed gardening to your repertoire. With its versatility, efficiency, and abundance, it's truly a game changer for any garden enthusiast. Start your raised bed garden today and unlock the potential of your green thumb. Like, share, and subscribe for more about farming.